Good afternoon, dear subscribers and guests. Today's topic we've called 3 Rules of Happy Eating. So what is it all about? The whole secret lies in how we organize our eating habits and what we actually consume. At first glance, the rules may seem very simple, but following them is both important and necessary. The first rule is regularity, listening to your hunger. Skipping meals is extra stress for your body. To enjoy life, you simply need to get rid of that stress. The second rule is consistency. You can't keep jumping back and forth, crash dieting one day and overeating the next. That's very harmful for both your body and your nervous system. The third rule is balance. Some foods affect the nervous system more than others, but that doesn't mean they should dominate your menu. Food nourishes your entire body, so your diet should include all food groups. Those are the simple rules for happy eating. Take care of yourselves and your loved ones, look after your health, and everything will be just fine. You'll see.